Hello, everyone, and welcome to the introductory episode of the HeartSuccess podcast. My name is Mehak Shah, and I will be your host. The intention of this episode is to really enable you to understand what this podcast is going to be about, who is the target audience that would benefit from this podcast, a little bit about me, and the vision that went behind creating this podcast. HeartSuccess is a medical podcast where we will discuss topics such as heart failure, cardiac hemodynamics, pulmonary hypertension and right heart failure, exercise hemodynamics, mechanical circulatory support devices, LVADs, thoracic transplantation, really heart and lung transplantation. These are both my areas of interest and expertise. The name HeartSuccess really comes from one of the heart failure attendings I worked with as a fellow. He commonly introduced our team as the HeartSuccess team, and I felt that added a fairly positive tone to what we did. Our primary target audience that we direct this podcast to is primary care providers, primary care physicians, care providers in the field of cardiovascular medicine and heart failure who deal with these patients, and also house staff and trainees in the field of internal medicine, cardiovascular medicine, and heart failure. A little bit about me. I'm an advanced heart failure cardiologist. At the time of recording this podcast, I'm right at that transition where I just finished my heart failure fellowship last week and will be moving on as a faculty in an advanced heart failure cardiac transplant division at an academic center. My main research interests are heart failure, cardiogenic shock, mechanical circulatory support. I've been listening to several medical podcasts for the last few years, and they have actually been phenomenal in helping me keep up to date with the latest in internal medicine and cardiovascular medicine. That was one of the motivations behind creating this podcast, because it gives me a unique opportunity to engage in innovative teaching. What we will be doing as part of this podcast is we will have expert interviews, topic discussions, case-based learning, and we will also talk about the latest trials in cardiovascular medicine that seem to have a significant clinical impact. If you do like our episodes and you do like our podcast, please do like and subscribe because it helps others find our podcast. Feel free to leave your suggestions for topics, critiques, things you think we can do better. You can reach us on email, heartsuccessteam@gmail.com. You can go to our website, heartsuccess.info, our Facebook page at HeartSuccess Team, or you can find me on my Twitter handle at CardioBro. Thank you.